Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building another amazing Python project called YouTube Trend Analyzer using Visual Studio Code. This project can analyze trending videos, compare views, and helps us understand what type of content goes viral on YouTube. So if you are a creator, college student or Python beginner, this project is going to be super interesting. Let's build it step by step. Before starting the project, let's install the required tools. First, install Python on your system, then open Visual Studio Code with which we will use for coding. We also need some Python libraries like Pandas for data analysis and Matplotlib for creating graphs and visualizations. Now let's understand the simple working flow of this project. First, we collect YouTube video data like titles and views, then Python analyzer the data and finds which videos are performing best. Finally, we generate graphs and statistics to understand YouTube trends and viral patterns. Now, inside VS Code, let's create our project structure. We will create a main Python file for analysis and a CSV file to store YouTube video data. Keeping files organized makes the project clean and professional. Next, let's create a CSV file containing sample YouTube data like video titles and view counts. This data will help Python analyze which videos are trending and performing better. Now let's write the main Python code. Using Pandas, we will import the CSV data and display all videos inside the terminal. Then we will sort the videos based on views to identify the top trending content. Now let's make the project more interesting by adding graphs. Using Matplotlib, we will create the bar charts that visually compare video performance. This makes the analysis easier to understand and also makes the project look more professional. Now everything is ready. Open the VS Code terminal and run the Python file. As you can see, the project successfully analyzes the YouTube data and generate trending statistics and graphs automatically. This is only the beginner version of the YouTube Trend Analyzer. In future version, we can connect real YouTube APIs, analyze thumbnails, predict viral topics using AI, and even generate automatic video ideas. And that's it for today's Python project. If you enjoyed this YouTube Trend Analyzer project, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which AI or Python project you want next. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.